Of stake sale of LIC by the government is likely to get delayed, as sources tell ET now that Deepam would wait for the stock price to stabilize near or above the IPO price. Prakash is joining us with more exclusive details. Prakash.
Well, that's an important development coming in, as we are learning from our sources that LIC stake sale likely to be slightly delayed due to prevailing market conditions. In fact, the government may refrain from initiating the stake sale process until stock price improves. Sources tell us that the Deepam is expected to wait until LIC's stock reaches at least the IPO level, which is impacted by various reasons at this point of time, and therefore Deepam wants a stock price to stabilize around IPO price band while the current price remains below that level, and therefore government is taking all these factors into account before moving ahead, while sources suggest that the stake sale in LIC is likely by January 2026. However, roadshows are expected to begin this month, where government is planning to sell a 2 to 2.5% stake in LIC through an OFS. A very significant development coming in. You were aware that the government had sold 3.5% stake in LIC through an IPO in May 2022, where it requires to sell another 6.5% stake in the company by May 2027 to meet SEBI norms, and therefore government intends to sell the remaining 6.5% stake in the company in tranches within the deadline.
Okay, that's the exclusive piece of info that we're picking up right now on the LIC stake sale. It seems that the government has put that on the back burner. That's what Prakash was just highlighting, and it's delayed because of the current market conditions. The stake sale, remember, was earlier planned for January 2026. But let's get back to the market focus, and I want to see how the auto names are reacting.